Hi there, and welcome to this amazing tutorial on how to create a PowerPoint presentation that's out of this world, literally. Today we are going to design a couple of slides that will blow your mind. So forget about all those boring and tedious financial reports you've been working on. Now I have something much more important for you, a cow standing in a meadow. And wait for it, a UFO flying over it and then abducting the cow. That's right. Now I know what you're thinking. But wait, what about those reports that are due tomorrow? Trust me, this is something you need to learn how to do. It's not every day that a UFO is seen flying over Alaska, and who knows, it might even come for your cow next. Okay, enough with the chit-chat. Let's get down to business. First, we need to find 3 pictures. A picture of a landscape, a picture of a cow, and a picture of a UFO. Then we need to remove the background from the cow and the UFO pictures. There will be a couple of slides like this, all linked with the Morph transition. On the first slide, I place a cow somewhere here. Yes, it looks good. I duplicate the slide using the Ctrl-T shortcut, and on the next slide, I place the UFO over the cow. I duplicate the slide again and insert a trapezoid. Then I change its color using the eyedropper and the gradient tool. Now again, I duplicate the slide and zoom in on the cow. It must be really big. I insert 2 circles and an icon like this. Now we must animate those eyes using the spin option. We have to copy and paste the eyes on the previous slide so that the transition will be smoother, but the eyes must be very, very tiny. Let's duplicate the previous slide and paste it after the zoomed cow slide. Duplicate again, and here we need to minimize the trapezoid and change the cow's position so that it looks like the cow is being abducted by the UFO. Let's duplicate the slide again and change the position of all these objects. Remember about the eyes, they need to be abducted as well. Now the crucial part. We select all those slides, go to the Transitions tab and choose the Morph option. And that's it. Let's have a look at the whole sequence. How do you like it? What do you think the cow can feel right now? Send her some hugs, likes, and a moment of silence for her wild ride.